If I... that's too much.
Remember this?
And this is a deep cleansing brush facial massage. It's manual. It doesn't have any batteries, so I'll try it when I wash my face in a while.
Today we will be using and reviewing this product.
Hello everyone, now we're in my little bathroom and we will be removing my makeup. First of all, I'm getting a cotton ball and using some makeup remover to take out my eyebrows. I didn't slap on foundation and any heavy makeup, so I don't really need to put on pond's tonight. There. Okay, so for the fun part, remember this? We will be using this for the first time tonight. Here it is! This is the soft part, and this is the rubbery part. Okay, so it says here, wet brush, and then apply facial cleanser. Lather into foam. Okay, we'll start with step 1. Wet brush, this meaning this part. There, it's wet. And then apply facial cleanser on the brush. I think that's enough. And then lather in my hand. Wait, I think I need to wet my face first so that after lathering it in my hand, I can go straight to washing my face, to rubbing it on my face. Okay, now my face is wet. And then now I will lather this in my hand. Although it's foamy already because I'm using the foam face cleanser. And then rub it on my face in circular motions.
It's so soft.
I got some in my nose. Okay. Oh, look, can you see? There's some of the concealer and face powder. Nice. It's so soft. I love it. Yeah, there's the dirt. Okay, I want to wash it out and then put some cleanser again because I feel like I'm just redistributing the dirt on my face again. If I that's too much. This is getting too messy. Okay, but it's good. I have one eye open so I can see what I'm doing. Still dirty. Wait, let me... So I rinsed my face first because I want to see what I'm doing. So again, and rinse. And let me dry my face. There. This is much better than the Buff Puff. Like I have one here that I use to deep cleanse my face and it's rough. As in, like, it's like using a facial scrub that sometimes I feel like I'm damaging my skin. So I think I'm gonna stop using this now and use this new gadget. Oh, and this one, let's do this in the bedroom. After drying my face and putting on toner, now I'm ready to moisturize. For tonight, I've decided to use my royal jelly plus my rose oil to deeply moisturize my skin. Upon looking at the mirror, my skin looks whiter than usual. So I think this really does a good job thoroughly cleansing and removing makeup during the washing process. Yeah. I'll put on some royal jelly first. I put more on my cheeks because I have drier skin here than the rest of my face. Okay, so now it's time to use this part. So I'm doing light circular motions on my face to massage it and have the moisturizer seep into my skin even more. My skin is glowing. Wow, this is really nice. I should have bought this the first time I saw it. Why?
Parang Chris. Chris ako. Yun ba yun? No.
It's different. It's not the same.
It's a face buffer. Right?
Wow, I can see the difference up close. Like, I don't know if you can see it from there, but this is so cool. The only problem I have is that I think I should have gotten two of these because this is, I needed to semi-dry this off so that it won't drip while I'm using it now. I think you can dry this like how you dry out makeup brushes. Nice. I love it. Wow. It really feels like my skin absorbed the moisturizer even more. Like sometimes whenever I put moisturizer, it feels like it just rests on top of my face, but now it feels soft and supple, but not sticky or oily. It's very important to me. And then now I'm gonna put on some rose oil. There's one here, a drop here. The rose oil I got from Miniso. I use it for deeply moisturizing my skin. And I also mix it with soap whenever I deeply clean my brushes. It's basically an all-around oil. I also drop some on my face masks. And that's it. So good night.